In today's video, I want to talk about some of the stuff, some of the things you can do that will help you to succeed your immigrant visa interview. If it's something you want to know, just stay tuned and I'll be right back.
USA Monde.
Hello everybody, this is John from USA Monde. Welcome back and thanks for watching. If it's your first time on my channel, as always, welcome. Today I have another video for you guys, and like I said in the introduction, today I want to talk about, I want to give you some tips, that will help you to succeed your immigrant visa interview. Okay, I know most of you are waiting for your interview at the U.S. embassy, where either you're intending the intended immigrant or your relative will go for interview. Okay, so you guys know that right now U.S. consulate or U.S. embassies they suspended their visa services until this coronavirus thing it's over. Okay, so once the pandemic is over, they will resume their visa services. Then from there, most of you will receive a letter from NVC, National Visa Center, about your interview appointment. Okay, in the letter you will receive the date, the time, where to go to for the interview, which U.S. consulate to go for the interview. But now, on the interview day, how you're supposed to behave or things you're supposed to do that will help you to succeed your immigrant visa interview. Okay, it's not 100% sure that when you do all this you will get your immigrant visa for sure, but that will help. Okay, that will help. One thing you have to know is that when you go to this immigrant visa interview, you have to be yourself. You have to be yourself. Don't try to be somebody else. Be yourself. Talk like you normally talk. Don't think too much about it, because when you think too much about it, that will bring you fear. So when you go over there, you're gonna say something you don't supposed to say. Just be yourself. Okay, that's one thing. Make sure you bring all the required documents to the interview. Whatever document is listed in the interview letter, you will receive a list of a document you're supposed to bring all those documents. Okay, make sure some of the document that are not translated into English, make sure you translate them into English before you take them. Make sure you get all the required documents from the petitioner, okay, before you go to the interview. Some of those documents you don't need to bring it, like I talked about in one of my videos the other day. It's an information that is on NVC website. Okay, you don't have to bring the affidavit of support or financial document if you already submit those to NVC. But still, if you want to bring them, you can take them. It won't damage anything. It's better to, if you want to take them, it's, they say that you don't have to bring it, but if you feel like you have to take them in case they will need it or they will have a doubt or whatever, you can show it. Okay, so make sure you bring those documents with you. And the other thing I want to talk about is make sure you go over your DS-260 form. Make sure whatever question you answer on those form, when they ask you a question regarding those same thing, those things, make sure you answer the same way you answer on the form. Because when you answer something, let's say they ask you if you ever been in the United States of America, you say no. You go to the interview, they ask you if you ever been in the United States of America, you say yes. It's a contradiction. It doesn't match with from what the answer you gave on the DS-260. So go over the form on DS-260. Make sure whatever answer you provided on the form, you provide the same answer at the U.S. embassy. If there is a mistake on the form, you'll notice that there was a mistake. When you go to the interview, let the officer, the interviewer, know that there was a mistake, and you show proof of that mistake. That way they won't worry about it. Okay, but if there is the mistake on the form of DS-260, you go to the interview, you didn't provide any proof, you just say that there was a mistake, it can be a little bit it can be a problem. Okay, so go over all those stuff. Make sure whatever information you guys provide on an I-130 petition form, make sure you when they ask you question regarding those information, you answer the same way. You answer those questions on the form I-130. Okay, so if they, for example, they ask you on the form if you have a child, you say yes. But at the interview, they ask you if you have a child. You say no, contradiction. There can be a problem. So all the document, whatever form you fill out, make sure you go over that form. Whatever form the petitioner fill out, make sure you get those document from the petitioner. Go over all those documents before you go to the interview. Okay, don't lie. Don't go to the interview thinking like you're gonna fool the interviewer or the consular officer who is interviewing you. You cannot do that because they are trained. That's what they do. They are trained. They can ask you same question different way and see how you're gonna answer. So if you're lying, they will know. If you're lying, they might ask you, it's like I said, same question 3 times or 4 times. If you say something different, one of the like you give one answer different than what you said before, it can be a problem. Okay, don't go over there thinking like you're gonna fool them. You cannot do that. Okay, you cannot do that. And make sure, one thing to make sure, when you go over there, all the document you bring there are genuine document. Don't bring any fraudulent document, any fake document. Don't do that. They will know, because most of the time, they will do investigation. They know exactly what maybe you are lying or you provide fake document, whatever. They won't say anything to you. Go over there and they'll be like, okay, what is this, what is that? They're going to start asking questions. And then if it's a fake document, the fear, you start going to feel in fear. They can notice that. They can read your body language, see if you are you are lying, or if it's you're uncomfortable or whatever. They will know for sure. So make sure all the documents you bring there are genuine document, no fake document. So basically those are the little stuff, they are just a little stuff when you have to do, but that can have a big impact on your interview when you go there. Okay, so just go over there, be yourself. Bring all the required document and don't lie. Don't bring any fake document. Just be yourself in general. You'll be surprised. How good you will do at the interview, and then you will, hopefully you will get your immigrant visa to come and join your family members here in the United States of America. Either your husband, either your mom, your dad, or either your wife or your kids. And that's what I want to talk about today. And I wish you guys, all of you guys who are waiting for interview or letter, who are waiting for interview date, I wish you guys good luck. And let me know if you go to the interview. Once the U.S. consulate resume their visa services, you go to the interview, you receive your immigrant visa. Let us know and share your experience with us. That's it for today's video. I hope you guys love it, learn something from it. If you know somebody who needs to watch this video, please share with that person. If you like the video, hit the like button. If you want to see more video like this one, all you gotta do is click on this. Once again, my name is John. Thanks for watching, and I talk to you guys in the next video.
USA Monde.